I think it's good for just the camaraderie aspect. Everyone getting together. Like half the guys here I didn't know, and when we first day, we're all laughing, hugging, and joking like we've known each other for years.
As veterans, kind of usually struggle with connecting with people, especially because we're somewhat different. But here, everybody seems like to know each other like a long time, even though we barely met each other about a couple days ago.
Man, the camaraderie is great. That's one thing I wish people can understand a little more. It's the greatest thing. And we got to catch some sick fish, just have a great time, man. Just share experiences.
I'll tell you that, like this weekend was something I needed. It's been years since I've been out with veterans, other than my two closest friends who live in California and Arkansas. So I don't get a lot of them, and this is definitely, it's cleared my head. Supporters.
You guys, how did you drop the ball?
I don't have cue cards.
We only briefed it twice.
No one told me.